In this video, I will show you the exact steps needed to customize your social media meta tags and image cards directly within Typeform. When you share a link to your form on platforms like Facebook, X, or LinkedIn, the way it appears can make a huge difference in your click-through rates. By default, these platforms pull generic information, but you have the power to change that to look much more professional and branded. To get started, go ahead and open up your specific form editor. Once you are inside the editor, look at the very top menu where you will see several options, and simply click on the Share tab. This is the central hub for all your distribution methods. Once that panel opens up, shift your attention to the right-hand side of the screen. You will notice a section labeled Link Preview Information, which shows how your link currently looks to the public. To make changes, click on the Edit button within that specific section. This is where the magic happens, because you can now customize the meta title and the meta description that will display when someone sees your link. You should focus on writing a catchy title and a clear description that encourages people to click. Even more importantly, you can upload a custom social share image. This image is what really grabs attention in a busy social media feed, so make sure it is high quality and represents your brand well. After you have updated the text and the image, you can preview the changes right there to ensure everything looks perfect. Once you are satisfied with the new look, you can confidently share your link through social media knowing that your form will look polished and inviting. Taking these few extra moments to audit your link settings ensures that your first impression is a great one and helps you stand out from the crowd effectively.